Joey Lee was born and raised in Maryland, and his parents and grandparents immigrated from Korea, making him Korean American. He is married to Alena Maze, who is African American. Alongside his wife Alena Maze, he documents their multicultural blended family life, blending Korean and African American heritage through cinematic vlogs that emphasize diversity, parenting, and cultural exploration. The channel, was launched in 2009 under Alena's name but gained traction after Joey's involvement in 2015, has amassed millions of subscribers and views, earning recognition as a Shorty Award finalist in the parenting or family category. Joey is a Korean American YouTube personality and the patriarch of the Maze Lee channel, where she serves as the director of photography, street photographer, and photojournalist for their cinematic blogs. Joey is the artistic lead and filmmaker behind the Maze Lee family productions, having been a creative soul all his life who spent his early 20s refining his craft through photojournalism with a focus on street photography. Joey raises 7 children with Alena, including 4 from Alena's previous marriage. Joey currently juggles being a full-time dad and YouTuber, enjoying teaching Korean and Korean culture to his family. Joey joined the Maze Lee channel in 2015, bringing his technical skills to the forefront. As the Appa, he handles much of the filming, editing, and creative direction, often infusing videos with artistic flair. The channel's content covers everything from daily family routines and travel adventures to cultural deep dives like teaching Korean to his kids or exploring global cuisines. Maze Lee's unique appeal lies in its authentic portrayal of a large, interracial family navigating lives grinned with humor and heart. Joey's story with Alena is one of serendipity and persistence. They first crossed paths over 21 years ago when Alena was just 13. She developed a crush on him at a church event. Life circumstances led them to lose touch multiple times, but they reconnected in their early adulthood. Joey is often depicted as the steady artistic dad who balances fatherhood with creative pursuits, teaching his kids Korean language and customs while embracing Alena's African American roots. Joey Lee's role in Maze Lee has made him a relatable figure for multicultural families worldwide, promoting messages of unity, creativity, and purposeful living. His behind-the-scenes contributions ensured the channel's high production value, while his personal story from street photographers to devoted family man inspires many.